Hi guys, welcome to my video. Sorry, I haven't been posting in like 4 weeks. I was running out of video ideas. If you play Toca Boca, you know that. Oh my God, it happened again. Move the character. Honestly, I'm so done with this. Whatever, I don't need her. Never mind. I'm gonna be no. So basically, I'm gonna be giving you a house tour. I know you just saw some of the parts, but whatever. So this is the area where you get all the stuff. You know, yeah. At least that's the doorbell, cause yeah, and the keys. These are some of the kitchen stuff, and yes, the fridge is empty, but I'm gonna fill it up soon. This is the area where you just sit down and have a cup of tea. Here's the area where you just sit down and watch TV or whatever. This is the dining area whenever anyone wants to dine. And here's some of the outdoor stuff. There are skateboard cones, water guns, lawn mower, baseball. There's a football in here and a basketball. It's just not here. I mean, it is here, but like, I don't know how to say it. All the stuff for covering it. And then here's some of the planting stuff. So yeah. And here's the trash can. Wait, why did I say trash can? Now we're gonna go up with the elevator. And yes, I got this from the Sea Life Center, the flowers. But yeah. To the second floor. Alright, now we're gonna wait. Ooh, I like this. Also guys, sorry for the waiting. I couldn't find any perfect app. I mean, there's his card, but I have to pay with like money to access it. No, I hate when this happens. Let me fix it. Done. Okay, so this is the lobby. Wait, no, what? Not the lobby. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Here's the wardrobe with all the stuff. And yes, I made this outfit. And someone made this like free outfit, so credits to them. Also for the beds, I got inspired by someone, so credits to them too. We got the wardrobe, the cats. Yes, they are Persian cats, but whatever. And yes, I do like cat's eye. Here's the room. Nice. And here's the room. Here's some of the clothes, the bed, the TV, and the stuff. Then we have the bathroom. We have the sink, the shower. The sink looks different from before. You probably haven't seen my previous bathroom. It was like in a different house, and this is the balcony where you just sit down and watch. So, yep. I hope you'll like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!